see which one I
Wait, I hear a noise over there.
Me too.
Let's go check it out. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
It's in the bushes somewhere.
Where is it?
What do you think it is, Vincent?
A bird.
A bird?
Yeah. Maybe it's finding a way to
Do y'all
get
hear
out.
it?
Yeah. Maybe it's a bird that got stuck in here.
What is it?
Hey, birdie, birdie.
Do you see anything?
No? What's that noise?
Maybe it's back here. Go back there. A ver?
I don't see anything.
What is it? There's something in the bushes.
Guys, there's something in the bushes and we don't even know. But I think I can see from here.
Come over here. There's got to be something in there. There's something making a noise.
Yeah. Hey, there's a little hole right there. Maybe I can see something. I don't see something, but maybe.
You don't see anything?
Yeah. All I see is just leaves. And there's something in here making that noise.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Okay, let's be quiet for a little bit and stand here in the shade. What is it?
I don't know, guys. I think it's the bird that got stuck in there.
That's a good guess. Maybe move the tree around a lot with this.
Maybe.
Ooh, there's a lot of dust coming out of that tree.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Guys, we're investigating.
We're investigating.
Let me put my truck away.
Or maybe it was in here. The pool drain.
Is there anything over there?
I don't see anything. What could be in here?
Hey, from that little hole we can see. What can be? Okay, you check in the back, I'll check in the front.
Maybe it's like a lizard or something?
Maybe.
I guess we're not gonna find out because who knows what's in that bush?
Who knows? What do you think is that bush, guys?
What do you think is in there? I think it's probably like a lizard or something. Okay, let's go play over here. Because Vincent has a bucket full of monster trucks ready to show y'all. Also, we got Mr. Skeleton, but Mr. Skeleton is falling. Let's fix him.
I can fix him all by myself.
Okay. He doesn't go there. He goes over here, silly.
I'm not silly.
He's so silly.
Okay.
There you go. Now he's falling.
But Mom, I mean, guys, let's make our video and then when we hear it, we go over there and find it.
Okay, let's pretend like we can't hear it. Maybe it'll make the noise again.
Yeah, right now. But here's my truck. This is the one that I found in.
Mr. Skeleton is down again.
Okay, look. This is the one that I found in the lady's house. And I'm in the center.
And she gave it to you.
Yes.
What's that?
Daddy!
Daddy's on the camera.
Why were you making that noise?
So this one is Crush Cycle.
And this one is Bigfoot.
Okay.
The monster truck that's very strong and can't smash anything. Here's Ultra Loco, the normal one. From Monster Jet. This is a monster truck that I don't know. What's his name? Right here.
His name is Spur of the Moment.
Spur of the Moment.
He's a cowboy.
Oh. This is a Raptor truck. But from trucks. This, guess what it is?
I'm gonna guess zombie.
Boom.
Whoa, it's a Black Toro Loco.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that one is nice.
And this one is my dirt squad for them to pick up when they crash. It is a dinosaur because it has a mouth right here and a tail. This one is... What's this one? Right here.
This one is called, it's just Dirt Squad, buddy.
Dirt squad.
Dirt Squad.
But it's a dinosaur. I think it's a push dinosaur. It's new. That's all the trucks I brought. I'm thinking what to do with them.
What should we do with them?
Okay, I know. Close your eyes, everyone.
Dun, 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 dun. We're closing our eyes for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What is Vincent doing? What do y'all think he's doing? Let's give him 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Where'd they go? Where are our monster trucks, buddy?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. We gotta find them.
Okay, let's go out and find them. You grab your scooter, and I'll grab the bucket. I'll follow you around. Give me the bucket. Thank you.
I'll get the trucks in here.
All right. Dun, dun, dun. Where do y'all think there are any? Do you see any?
There.
Where? There it is. Go grab it. Put it in the bucket. 1. Where else are we gonna find one?
I think here.
I don't see anything anywhere.
I see.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh my goodness. There's another one in the bush right next to it.
Ah!
Missed. Ah, there's a lot over here. Why would they drive off like that?
I don't know.
That's insane.
One more.
Another.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. They were all right here. That was pretty easy. Yay! Is that it? Are we missing any? Dirt Squad number 2. Oh yeah.
Let's see.
They thought they could hide in the bushes.
Okay, now you do that.
Now it's mommy's turn to hide them. Let's go hide them.
I'll close my eyes.
Okay, you close your eyes and turn towards the pumpkins, please. No cheating.
Yay. You're not cheating.
I'm gonna hide it behind this witch right here. We're gonna go a little further. Over here. No cheating. Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater.
Are we done?
No, I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left.
Okay.
3 more left. Keep closing your eyes.
I am.
Close them. Close them.
Are you done?
No.
Okay. I'm ready.
All right, Vincent, we're ready.
Okay.
25 seconds to find it. Run. Oh my gosh, she found that one right away. What? 2. What? They're not there. Try harder. Go farther.
Farther, right here.
Yes. 3. Looks like he's gonna lose. You have 10 seconds. As of right now. 10. 9.
4.
How many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we went well over the 25 seconds. Wait.
That one.
Woohoo! He's running to put it in the bucket. Hurry, hurry. You're running out of time. Well, careful.
Oh no.
You still need 1, 2, 2 more over here. And I think 1 more over there on that side. Ah! It was right there. You wouldn't see it. Hurry, hurry. Check more. Check more places over here. Yes! Okay, I think that's all we have on this side. But we got 1 more. Can you find the last one? If you find it in 5 seconds, you win. Ready?
Okay.
I'll give you a clue. You ready? It's on that side of the yard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! You lose. Where is it?
I didn't want him to.
Oh, don't cry. It's right there, silly boy. There's only one thing left to do. What are we gonna do with him?
Car wash.
Yeah, car wash time.
But
Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo.
whatever fits in here, goes.
You ready? Hold the water.
Okay.
We're gonna get this open. Okay, I'll hold it, you scrub them. Next!
Okay, enough, Mom. Enough water.
Enough water.
Yeah, look at how much you put in.
Oh my goodness, sorry. It's overflowing.
Did we get this one? Oh, yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now we're mixing them all up. Some of them are going to be too shiny. The others are going to be dirty.
There's a Dorito.
Oh my gosh.
Right here.
There's a little goat head sticker.
What?
This fly is just bothering us.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look at that butterfly over there.
Huh? Oh. And there's a butterfly. I think that's some water.
Okay, let me turn off the water now.
Super shiny.
Squeaky squeak.
Okay, can't scrub them. Let's see how this one looks. it in the sun so that I can dry.
Good idea.
This one too. This one needs a scrub.
Oh, shoot. Sorry.
Oh my. I have 3. Oh, look at that. Boom.
Yeah, the water's flowing all the way to the sidewalk over there.
Wait. No. I'm gonna put them like this so that they don't.
Okay.
Now, where can you put this?
Let's throw it on the flower. I think we should put it on the big flower thing bush over there.
Okay.
Careful with the big. What? That's on the rock, silly. Just put it on the flower.
Like this?
Like all the way in the roots. Remember, they drink water through the roots. Woo! The bee's right there. Woo! Woo! Did you get wet? We almost got attacked by the bee that lives in our bush. All right, I think these are ready to be picked up and put in the bucket.
I don't want to see Barn. I like videos.
Vincent doesn't want to say bye to y'all because he's having so much fun washing his cars. But we got a lot of stuff to do today, huh? And we'll have another fun video for you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. What?
Whoa, that bee just flew right past your face.
Watch this. Okay, right here.
Okay.
Wait.
Hey, we never heard that noise again in the bush. I wonder what it was.
Me too.
It was probably like a lizard or something.
No.
You don't think so?
Right here?
What do you think it was?
A bird that got stuck.
Yeah, but then where did the bird go? Do you think he's still stuck?
I think he's just looking around.
Oh, okay. All right.
Right here?
Try it. Oh my God. He doesn't want to go in the bucket.
Go in there.
Oh my goodness.
Bye, friends. I'll see you next day. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel.